Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Thomas Frost here with Frost & Frost Wealth Management with your weekly economic and market update for the week of October the 14th, 2019. Please remember, nothing that I say here is a recommendation. Please make sure you read the disclosures that are at the bottom of the email that this video was attached to. So I am here at lovely Golden Ocala, and we're here for the 9th annual Amy Frost Swing for a Cause golf tournament, with all the proceeds going to our local hospice on 466. And so those of you that were at the tournament, thank you, thank you, thank you. And those of you that will be there next week, look forward to seeing you, and I hope the weather is as good as it is today. So what happened last week? I think some fairly positive news on the trade front. There was kind of a truce that was drawn between the US and China when it comes to trade. The Dow was up 0.9%. NASDAQ was up 0.9%, the S&P was up 0.6%, and international stocks as measured by the MSCI EAFE index were up 0.4%. So I think investors were in a good mood. I think they read into the talks and said, you know what, it's possible that maybe an agreement can be made. And then we add to it the positive news that came out, hopefully positive news that came out with the Brexit talks. It put investors in the mood to decide to buy and not sell. And as I mentioned, all three indexes were positive. If we include MSCI EAFE index, all four indexes were positive. One thing we've learned is that after 21 months of these trade negotiations or renegotiations with China, is that things can change on a dime. So unfortunately, volatility is not over. It's just, it hit the pause button last week. Page 2. My lovely bride is my camera woman today. I think at Frost & Frost, another thing that we've been continuing to tell our clients is take things in stride. We're long-term investors. We know that knee-jerk reactions are never the best way to approach things. We see growth continuing, although we see it slowing a little bit. As we said before, we're being cautious. We're weighing the information that we're getting on the economic front that we're receiving, the research that we're getting. And that being said, I think if there's anything we're doing on our end, we're tapping the brakes a little bit more as a precautionary measure, even though we don't see a recession in the very, very near future. One thing we also keep in mind, a colleague once said in 2009, in long-term investing, it's not about dodging the volatility. There will always be volatility. It's about making sure that you're well cushioned to avoid bruises as they come along. And I think we could not agree more. Each day we're working hard to make sure that you're prepared to be cushioned from what might come ahead. We're always here to answer any questions or concerns that you have. Please also, if you're signed up, remember we have a happy hour tomorrow at the office at 5:15. So on behalf of our entire team from Golden Ocala, from Frost & Frost Wealth Management, thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.